Now we are required to prove that sec theta plus cosec theta cot theta is equal to sec theta cosec squared theta. We are going to do this from both sides. We are going to first prove from the left hand side and then we prove from the right hand side. Let's start. Okay, so in our solution we have sec theta plus cosec theta cot theta. What is sec theta, what is cosec theta, and what is cot theta? Let us recall that sec theta, this is a reminder that sec theta is equal to 1 out of cos theta, okay? Cosec theta is equal to 1 out of sine theta, and also cot theta is equal to cos theta out of sine theta. So this is what I'm going to use. I will replace sec theta with this, I replace cosec theta with this, and cot theta with cos out of sine. So this implies that where there is sec, I put 1 out of cos theta, plus cosec is the same as 1 out of sine theta. This is a multiply by a multiplication multiplied by cot, which is cos theta out of sine theta. Now let me first simplify this one here. This will give me 1 out of cos theta plus 1 times cos, you get cos theta, out of sine theta times sine theta. This gives us sine squared theta. Okay, now let us add these fractions I have. We are going to use cross multiplication method. Sine squared times 1, then plus cos times cos, out of cos times sine. So I will have sine squared times 1, you get sine squared theta, okay, plus cos theta times cos theta. This will give us cos squared theta, divide by cos theta times sine squared theta. We shall have cos theta sine squared theta. Okay, now let us look closely at the numerator. When you look at it, you have sine squared theta plus cos squared theta. We know that, we also remember, or you recall that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. That is our first identity. So where I see sine squared theta and cos squared theta, I'm going to replace it by 1. So I will put 1 here. So this implies that on the numerator I have 1, divide by my denominator is cos theta sine squared theta. So that is cos theta sine squared theta. Now let us separate them. We shall have 1 out of cos theta multiplied by 1 out of sine squared theta. Now what is 1 out of cos? Let us go back. 1 out of cos is sec. Okay, that is sec theta. Multiplied by 1 out of sine is cosec, but this is sine squared, so it is going to be cosec squared. That is cosec squared theta, and this is our right hand side. So we have proved it from the left hand side, and it is true that sec theta plus cosec theta cot theta is equal to sec theta cosec squared theta. Now we are going to look at a case where we start from the right hand side. Now we are going to prove this identity from the right hand side. Okay, we shall start from right hand side. Says that right hand side, it has sec theta cosec squared theta. Now, if I want to prove from the right hand side, how will I introduce a plus? I'm going to use an identity, okay? An identity which has, we know that the third Pythagorean identity states that cosec squared theta is equal to 1 plus cot squared theta. And we know that sec theta is equal to 1 out of cos theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 out of sine theta. Also, cot theta is equal to cos theta out of sine theta. So this is what I'm going to use, okay? Let us bring this. This implies that sec theta cosec squared theta is equal to, now first bring this, where you see cosec, put 1 plus cot squared theta. This is going to be sec theta, open brackets, and put 1 plus cot squared theta. Then a plus has been introduced. Now let us open brackets. This is equal to, you distribute this sec throughout. Now let us distribute this one. We shall have sec theta plus sec theta times 1 is sec theta, and sec theta times cot squared theta, you get sec theta cot squared theta, okay? Now, I need sec to remain in the expression because I have it here. So I will have sec theta here plus, let us deal with this. We have sec here is the same as 1 out of cos theta multiplied by, your cot is the same as cos squared theta out of sine squared theta. The reason as to why I put a square is because cot is squared. Now let's go. I have sec theta here plus 1 times cos squared. This is the same as cos squared theta, but let me split it or separate it. I will have cos theta times cos theta divided by cos theta sine squared theta. Because this is cos squared, so it's the same as writing cos times cos. Now this cos will go with that cos, okay? So I remain with sec theta plus cos theta out of sine squared theta. Now I'm going to separate this sign again. So this is going to be sec theta plus, I will have cos theta out of sine theta times sine theta, okay? So this is the same as writing sec theta plus cos theta out of sine theta multiplied by 1 out of sine theta, okay? So this is equal to sec theta plus cos out of sine is cot theta, and 1 out of sine is cosec theta. So I'm going to rewrite it by like this, sec theta plus, I want to start with cosec, that is cosec theta by cot theta. So we have proved the left hand side as required. Thank you so much for watching.